If I only had $15 to feed my family of 4, here's what I would do. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm delicious. We're here. Straight away, I'm going to the meat section. I don't have a plan, but I do have straight vibes. So here's what I think our plan is gonna be. 3 good options so far. Sausages, ground beef, and then if I go over here, they have chicken thighs for $9. This one is 1.185 kilograms, but it kind of looks disgusting. So I'm gonna go with this one. Let me know in the comments if you can guess what we're making, but we do need an onion. There's this guy that walked past me who was just like staring at me when I did the intro. Help, guys, please like, subscribe, do anything to save me from this embarrassment. We want broccoli, but it's $3.99. Now we're gonna go to the aisle. One thing about me is I always have coconut milk in the cupboard. You can make like a really good meal if you have coconut milk as a base, I promise you. I'm gonna get some green beans. They're $1.50. Okay, my mom just called me and she's on her way to Toronto, so I'm actually gonna make this lunch for her. Ooh, that means it has to be extra good now. Now, if you wanted to, you can get lime and cilantro rice, which I think would pair perfectly with this. Make sure to use the point system at your grocery store. Yes, that'd be helpful. Thank you. Okay, we're back at my house, so let me show you what $14.14 gets you in Toronto. Cut green beans for another $1.49. My favorite, coconut milk. And lastly, garlic. Okay, woo, let's get cooking from our first YouTube video.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make my Caribbean curry brothy chicken thighs that range anywhere from $2.50 to $3.74 per serving. You're going to start by pan frying your chicken thighs on both sides.
We're just looking for a nice golden brown texture before we put it into the oven.
The chicken will not be fully cooked at this stage, but once brown, take it out of the pan and then we're going to use that chicken fat and flavor for our onions and garlic.
I'm not even gonna lie, this smells so scrumptious.
Now this recipe does require you to have basic seasonings at home, but if you don't have these, you can get everything you need from the bulk store to stay on budget. And the secret ingredient is clove. But shh, don't tell anybody because I actually stole this recipe from my brother.
Seasonings mixture. Mix your seasonings mixture. Anyway,
you're gonna add that seasonings mixture to our frying pan to get toasted, baby. Followed by our oregano milk, and of course nothing gets left behind, so we're gonna fill that same can with water and pour.
Even though our chicken is supposed to bathe in this, I want to bathe in it.
Now this recipe does make a lot of broth, which is great because you can freeze in ice or storage cubes and then reheat for a later date. Winning! Our chicken thighs are in their hot tub, which means it's now time to put it into the oven, but be careful not to burn yourself like ever.
So we're gonna let that cook for about 30 to 45 minutes, but I'll let you know the final time once we get it out of here, and until then, I'm gonna clean up. Oh yeah, so word of advice, don't grab the pan with your fingertips. I got some polysporin, so I'm gonna put it on my fingertip. There's no way I'm the only one who burns themselves in the kitchen, so somebody drop a story time right now in the comments. This is my burn dance. Saddle up and dance. Okay, back to cooking.
Now, since we have about 35 minutes until our chicken is ready, go ahead and start cooking your rice.
Guys, look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. Let's zoom in a little bit there. Zoom it, girl. Zoom it, girl. Zoom. Zoom it, girl. Zoom it, girl. Zoom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Who's hungry? Who's coming over for some food right now?
Our Caribbean curry chicken thighs are done. Now all that's left to do is plate. Now, okay, I'll have to admit, this is one of my favorite recipes because it's so flavorful and continues to prove my point that you can eat delicious on a budget.
And there we have it. Lunch or dinner is served. This would be about 4 to 6 servings, but let me tell you for free, it's absolutely delicious. So let me know in the comments if you would try this. Make sure to subscribe because this is my first cooking YouTube video. So all 10 of you, please subscribe. And like I told you guys at the store, my mother was on her way here and she's now here on my couch. So let's go give this to her. Toodaloo!